So here I'm working on a 2020 BMW X7. This is the x50i, doing a thermostat change on it. This thermostat change is supposed to be 5 hours, and I'm going to show you how to turn it down to 1 hour. So the thermostat sits up in here. That's it right there. You see the electrical plug sticking out of the top there. I've already disconnected it. What you're going to need to do is there'll be a plastic cover here you want to take out of the way, and then you're going to take out this stiffening cover plate right here. Get it out of the way, just because when you let this loose, you don't want the coolant draining all over the stiffening plate and then running 10 different directions. And then you want to get access to this area right here and be able to see up here. So what you're going to do is I took a hose pick like this. I used one like this here, and I went up through this section here up to the hose right there and got the locking clip pushed off. Had the drain underneath of it, and then I just pulled the hose off to drain it. And then the 3 bolts that hold it on, well, before that I reached up through here as well and disconnected the plug. If I can get you a view of the plug right here, you see the plug right there. So there'll be an electrical plug there. There's no locking clip, so you're just going to depress the tab and pull it off. If I can get my fat hands up in there, you can get yours in there. And after that, you can unclip this hose right here and pull it off. Drain your coolant out. It'll all come down here. And then after that, you're going to need to take an E8 with a long extension on a 1/4-inch ratchet. And when I mean long, I mean like this. So you're going to get your long extensions. You're going to do the top bolt and then the bottom left bolt here. And then I went underneath. I put the hose back over the outlet, and then I went underneath here and got the forwardmost bolt like this. And again, those are E8 bolts. I use a 1/4-inch ratchet, long extension, to get these bolts out right here. And they are steel bolts. So if you do this and go up through this hole right here, you can get all 3 of those bolts from this hole, and you can turn this 5-hour job into a 1-hour job. It's real easy. So now I got it unclipped, pulled the hose off, drained some of the coolant off. It's not going to drain all the coolant because the thermostat's in the way. So when you pull these 3 bolts out, it's going to start draining even more coolant. So I've let it drip enough that pretty much all the coolant is out of the way. We should be able to just go ahead and pull this hose out of the way. Something's going to fall out of the hose. Yep. Fill the hose up. Make sure you have a catch for it. Now you can see that the thermostat housing is just sitting here. And I can reach up over top of this bar here. Should be able to just reach over top of the sway bar here like this. Move the hose out of the way. Thermostat housing is going to fall out of the way. Grab it and take it out, and then you can insert it back through this hole just the same as you took it out, and you should be able to get one of these bolts in by hand and then use the extension for the rest of them. But once you do a whole bunch of other stuff, I believe, to get this out, and it does call for 5 hours, but if you do this method, you can knock it down to about an hour, maybe even less if you're real fast. Hope this helps somebody out, save you some time. And again, this is a 2020 BMW X7 x50i, the V8 engine. And I'm changing this due to a failure in the heater circuit for the thermostat. Alright, hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.